What's the meaning of climbing? Climbing. Climbing.
Climbing. Climbing. Climbing refers to the act of scaling upward a steep or vertical surface, such as a mountain, rock face, or climbing wall, using physical strength and specialized equipment like ropes, harnesses, and anchors. Those who engage in climbing often do so as a recreational activity, but it can also be done for professional purposes such as rescue missions or scientific research. The result of climbing can vary depending on the individual's goals, but it generally involves a feeling of accomplishment, improved physical fitness, and a deep connection with nature and the environment.